Hi friends, this video shows how to stop Wi-Fi from automatically turning on and connecting. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Tap on Wi-Fi. You can see Wi-Fi is on and it's already connected to Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. Tap on this Wi-Fi network. Here we can see auto join. So right now this option has been enabled. Hence phone will automatically connect to this Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. So I am going to disable this. So I don't want this phone to automatically connect to Wi-Fi network. That is the reason I turned off this. Then go back. Then we can turn off Wi-Fi. Tap here and turn off Wi-Fi. So this way we can turn off auto join and Wi-Fi. So that way we can stop Wi-Fi from automatically turning on and connecting. Let me go back. And later, if you want to turn on Wi-Fi and connect to internet, you can again come to the settings, tap on Wi-Fi. First turn on Wi-Fi, tap here and turn on Wi-Fi. Done. You can see it's not connected to this network because we have disabled auto join. That is the reason. So at this point, we have to tap on this Wi-Fi name. Then only it connects. See, it's connected. So this way we can stop Wi-Fi from automatically turning on and connecting. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.